Simple English. No confusion.
Welcome to a fascinating journey through our cosmic neighborhood. I'm Ramanjanelu and welcome back to my channel Ramanjanelu the Info. In today's episode, we are settling a sail into the depths of space to explore the incredible intricacies of our very own solar system. So, segment 1, what is our solar system? Let's start with the basics. Our solar system consists of the sun and all other celestial bodies gravitationally bound to it. It's like a cosmic family with the sun as our central star, and its children are planets as well as their moons, asteroids, meteoroids, meteors, and comets. Then segment 2, meet the sun. Our journey begins with the sun against a gained ball of burning gas at heart of our solar system. So some key details about the sun, they are: first one, physical characteristics of sun. So composition, the sun is primarily composed of hydrogen about 74% and helium about 24% with traces amounts of other elements. So size of sun, it is about 109 times the diameter of earth, making it incredibly massive. If earth were the size of a nickel, it would be about the size of a door. Then surface temperature, the sun's surface, called the photosphere, has an average temperature of approximately 5500 degrees Celsius. Then core temperature, core of the sun where nuclear fusion occurs reaches temperature about 15 million degrees Celsius. Then second one, point number 2, energy source. The sun generates energy through a process known as nuclear fission. In its core, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium in continuous process, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. Then point number 3, luminosity. The sun is incredibly bright and producing an estimated 386 billion megawatts of power. This immense energy output is what provides light and heat to our solar system. Then point number 4, gravity. The sun's gravity is what holds our solar system together. Its immense gravitational force keeps all planets, moons, asteroids, comets in orbit around it. Then point number 4, solar wind. The sun emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. This constant flow of charged particles, primarily protons and electrons, affects the entire solar system and can influence solar space weather. Then point number 6, sunspots. The sun's surface isn't uniformly bright. It has dark spots known as sunspots. These areas are cooler and correspond to regions of strong magnetic activity on the sun. Then point number 7, solar flares and coronal mass ejection. The sun is known as its occasional eruptions such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections. So these events release bursts of energy and matter into space, sometimes impacting Earth's magnetic field and causing geomagnetic storms. Then point number 8, life sustainer. The sun is essential for life on the earth. It provides the energy necessary for photosynthesis, which is the process by which planets convert sunlight into chemical energy, ultimately sustaining life on our planet. Then coming to point number 9, age. The sun is estimated to be around 4.6 billion years old. So it is approximately halfway through its life cycle, and it will continue to shine for several billion more years before exhausting its nuclear fuel. Then point number 10, role in the solar system. The sun is the gravitational anchor that keeps all planets, moons, and other objects in our solar system in orbit. It plays a vital role in maintaining the stability and balance of the system. Then point number 11, heliosphere. The sun's influence extended far beyond its visible surface. So the solar wind creates a bubble-like region around the solar system called the heliosphere, which protect our solar system from some cosmic rays and interstellar particles. Then point number 12, fission reactions. In the sun's core, hydrogen nuclei, that is protons, fuse to form helium through a series of nuclear reaction. This process releases energy in the form of gamma rays and gradually makes its way to the surface, providing light and heat. So in conclusion, understanding the sun is critical not only for understanding of the solar system, but also for studying other stars and fundamental process that governs the universe. So this is all about the sun and its key details in the solar system. Then in the next episode we will discuss the planets and its key details in our solar system. So thanks for tuning to us. Until the next time, this is Ramanjanalu signing off. Jai Hind.
హ్యాపీగా ఉండు మావా.